What's up, everybody? It is day 22 of my 75 hard challenge, and I was going to do this yesterday, but it just didn't work out. So this is my 3-week update for the 75 hard challenge, and technically I've been doing the diet for 4 weeks and the 75 hard challenge for 3 weeks. So I just did my body composition today. Wanted to share those results with you so that you could see what's changed. So I did start out at 250, but when I had my first composition done, I was already down to 244. And so today I was at 235.8, so I was down 9 pounds. I increased my lean muscle mass by 1.6 pounds. And I took my body fat percentage from 32%, which is bad, down to 28%. So I dropped 4% in body fat, which is that's good. I'm super excited about that. So then the other big noticeable difference was my visceral fat, which is the fat that surrounds your organs. So when I started this 3 weeks ago, I was at 15. The level, they just level 10 being kind of the upper end of healthy. And so obviously I was way over that, and so now I am down to 13. So definitely making progress with all of those things. Still hovering right around about 17 total pounds in terms of total weight loss, but now that I'm seeing my body composition with the percentages and all that, it just makes it even better. So anyway, just wanted to share those results with you, so keep plugging away here, and that's day 22 in the books. We'll see you tomorrow.